How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. Hey there, in this video we will discuss alternatives to ordering foreign currencies since Chase Bank doesn't provide this service. While Chase Bank is a major entity in the US and the UK, it does not offer foreign currencies accounts due to legal restrictions and operational considerations. However, there are several alternatives available to handle foreign currencies effectively. One popular option is the Wise account, which allows you to manage over 50 currencies and receive money in up to 10 different currencies. Using specialized currency exchange provider is also recommended, as they can offer competitive rates and a wide range of currencies. Operational complexities such as maintaining inventory and managing exchange rate may deter banks like Chase from offering foreign currency services. Additionally, risk management plays a role as currency exchange involves inherent risks like exchange rate fluctuations and counterfeiting concerns. It's important to note that the availability of foreign currency services varies between banks and regions. If you need foreign currency services, consider contacting Chase Bank directly or exploring alternatives like dedicated currency exchange providers. So even though Chase Bank doesn't offer foreign currency services, there are many other alternatives available. I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.